Another makers meetup just ended. We finally completed our house and made water tests. So now our house from HDPE tubes are not leaking. Our girls helped us to assemble the base of the drone again. We also had fun with soldering, and we've attached banana jacks to our motor cables. So now it's easy to connect and disconnect. And for the next step, we also ordered 6S battery, which has more voltage than the existing one. The most tricky part was to design and attach a trash collecting box. Now we decided to proceed with a simple solution, which may be not the best one, but will allow us to make tests and move forward. So Danilo created a fast design and made a prototype with a laser cutting machine. And then we made a brainstorming on how we can connect the box to the drone base. And this is the goal for our next meeting: to design trash box collecting module attachments. So I wish you a happy new year and see you next Wednesday at 7 p.m. in Pirate Bay.